Hey there, food lovers. Have you ever wondered how to make some crispy, tender, juicy Cajun fried chicken at home? Don't go anywhere. We've got the full recipe, and my brother will show you how to do it right now. Now it's time to add all the herbs and spices that were being prepped. And then this will be followed by a series of dry seasoning. Now that all the prepping is out of the way, it's really time to mix the herbs, the spices, and the dry seasoning together. So you just want to mix them and combine everything together. Then you want to cover your container and let it sit for about an hour or so before you move to the next step in the process, which would be to add some coatings to the chicken before they're ready to be fried. Guys, if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please tell your friends. Also, share in the comments what you like about this video and what you would like to see me make next.